Hi friends, welcome to Aishu's DIY. This is an unboxing video. This is a treasure bag from China or ggctreasures.com, and this is not a monthly subscription bag, as you guys must have already known by now. This is a treasure bag. That means it's bi-monthly, and this gets sold pretty fast. Okay, you have to grab it when it is available. It's not a monthly subscription, as I said. As soon as it's available, it's sold in a couple of days. So the only way you can get to know when this treasure bags will be available is through signing up to ggctreasures.com. Gina is the person who runs it, and then so she's really awesome, and you will get notified just before the bags will be available, and then you can purchase it from there. So I will leave down the description box below the link for the website, and there you can sign up and then get to know when this will be available. It's a lot of stuff for less money. If you want to build up your stash or you're new to jewelry making, this is a place to start, and it's worth whatever you invest. And there are so many different goodies. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is the first treasure bag for this year 2024, and it says sparkling romance perfect. A romance themed treasure in this bead filled space awaits a very special place to be adorned with creative grace and bring a smile to a loved one's face. In this bag you will find all metals, nickel, cadmium and lead free, and there is 27 items. In the market, I have never seen a monthly subscription or any other box having this many items in one single box or bag or whatever you want to call that. So let's get started. Oops, the sound of my scooper thingy that I have kept it. As you guys can see, it's stainless steel, so it made a noise. So let me just get this started because I need to organize a bit and then come back to you guys. Okay, so I'm ready. The first one will be this. So this is 11.5 inch strand, 4.5 by 6 millimeter clear triangle crystal beads. Approximately there is 90 beads here. Save these ziplocs and then put your finished products in this, so that it stays inside a bag and doesn't tarnish, or the color changes, right? So it's a best way to save your finished jewelry, like a pendant, pendant necklace or earrings, rings, etc. So as you guys can see, this is very cute triangle beads. It looks like a heart almost, as you guys can see. I really like this a lot. This is we have received this in the treasure bag before, but the smaller size. This is a bigger size, and it looks really pretty. I hope it's nice and clear in the video. Then there is a 4 mm round imitation jade half silver thistle, approximately 125 beads. I believe this is what it is. And it is 17 inch. Basic strand is 15.5 inch, but this one is really long, as you guys can see. They are 17 inch, so that's that. Then we have 13 inch strand, ombre 4 into 3.5 triangle crystal beads. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute, and the ombre color is really perfect for the Valentine's Day, I would say. See, this ombre means it starts from the lighter color of the spectrum and it goes darker, and as you guys can see, it is a dark pink versus a little bit light pink, and then champagne color kind of, and then it turns into a little bit with red, and then dark red, and then continues like this, right? It's an ombre color, so it's very, very pretty. I really love it. I don't want to, whenever you work with ombre colors, don't mix it up. So use the strand carefully so that you maintain that ombre color effect. Then we have 6mm lavender crackle glass beads, and it is a full stand as well, 15-inch. So normally you will not get so many full strands in your box, and let alone you get 17-inch strand. You get multiple of them in this treasure bag. So as you guys can see, so I will just move this ahead. This is the crackle beads. Okay. Then the next one is the lavender faint roundel beads, 6x4mm, which is this. Very pretty color. I love lavender. It's my favorite. Okay. Then we have clear faceted oval glass beads, which is right here. And again, it is a 16-inch strand. You get a little bit more than full strand. And then we have 21-inch, mark my words here, 21-inch strand, 6mm round ruby crystal beads. 17-inch, 21-inch, it's a lot more than one full strand, right? Let alone we have 7.5-inch strand, 6.5-inch strand, half a strand, quarter strand, like that in the bead box, and this is like a whooping 21-inch strand, and the color is like really nice thread, and you can use it for Valentine's Day gift, make necklaces, accessories and stuff, and so on. And then we have 16-inch strand, 4x3mm roundel color mixed beads, approximately 135 beads, and this color mix is also my perfect, like pastel colors and a little bit of, crystal colors. Excuse me. So this is what it is. Very cute again. I really like it a lot. As I said, I would like to work with it the same way. I don't want to separate it. The next one is again, okay. What did we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 21-inch strand, 6mm round clear faceted crystal beads. Oh my goodness, 21-inch strand. So we have actually 21-inch, like the red. We have the clear as well. Okay. Now the next one is 13-inch strand, 4mm round pink rose crystal beads, approximately 95 beads. This is like a peachish color, I would say, and perfect for this year. This year the Pantone color of the year is peach. This will perfectly match for that, and it's a round crystal beads. Then we have a full strand, 15-inch strand of 6mm round pink imitation opalite beads. Approximately we have 70 beads in it, which is this color, right? Perfect. We can make a lot of goodies with all of these beads. Right. Then we have 7 12 by 10 by 5mm electroplated glass faceted heart beads. Okay, very perfect. And these hearts doesn't have a hole from top to bottom or side to side. It has a hole, you know. Let me just show you guys. Like that. Can you see? You can make an arrow. You know, it's as if it's perfect. Very pretty. This one is clear. And these one are all plated. That's a nice thing to have. Then we have electroplated bicone beads. Five electroplated bicone beads. These are 13 by 9 millimeter. I love these beads. These beads are my favorite so far. I really like it. The shape of it, the size of it, the facetedness. Then we have 14 by 10 millimeter painted pink flower barrel beads. This is very cute. It gives me that vintage vibe feel, right? These painted flowers. It matches perfectly with the opalite beads as well. Then we have one 27 by 19 by 8 millimeter electroplated crystal heart pendant with a silver tone brass bail. You already have the bail attached to it. So it is stunning. It's really gorgeous, right? It's silver plated and the bail is already attached. Very nice bail, ornate bail you have. That's cute. And then we have silver tone brass heart locket. It has a rose in it and you can open it. Oh, nice. You can cut a picture in the heart shape and put it inside it, and then, you know. Oops. Okay. So the next one is this. 26.5 by 13 by 12 millimeter silver tone alloy rhinestone fox pearl pendants. Okay. So 4 pearls. How do you call it? Fox or four? Let me know. Okay. This looks pretty real to me than this, right? I like it. It's different. You can have a pendant or, you know, earrings. Then we have 2 silver tone glass and brass cube pendants. Okay, this is this. Okay. Oh, these are those cubes that the rhinestone will move, the crystal moves, right? Yeah, pretty good quality. I have a bigger one in my stash, but that doesn't look this good a quality. This is really nice. The crystal is very pretty. I love it. It's small. It's pretty. I'll put it there. Then we have 2 rhinestone heart pendants. Very pretty. Okay, those 2. Then we have 2 15 by 13 by 3 millimeter and 15 8 by 7 by 2 millimeter silver tone alloy heart charm set. So this is what it is. So these two are the bigger hearts, and they have hearts inside. It is a double-sided pendant. It's bigger. And these are the smaller heart charms. Okay. Then we have 3 heart links, 6 by 20 by 3 millimeter, silver tone alloy. It's already done for you. They put the 3 hearts in a head pin and made loop on either side so that it's ready to go, that you can directly use it in your projects. Okay. Next one, we have 20 12 by 21 by 1.5 silver tone alloy filigree heart links. So these are links that you can use for your necklace, bracelet, earrings, so forth and so on. So that's that. We have 20 of them. So I'll just leave it right here. Okay. The next thing is bead cones. We have 42 by 8 by 1 millimeter silver tone bead cones, which is right here. These are very lightweight, and you can directly use it on, see, for example, you can just put this on with a longer head pin, and then you can make this as a pendant or earrings. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Even you can put a round bead under it, so forth, and it's pretty versatile. Then we have keychain. We have textured silver tone cable chain, 5.4 into 6 by 3 millimeter, 361. Okay, this is a textured chain. We have 1 meter of the chain, which is really helpful in any project, right? So then we have toggle clasps, 10 silver tone alloy hot toggle clasp. Everything is hot. Okay, these are the ones. Cute. Keep it right here. 10 column beads, silver tone alloy column beads, 9 by 3.5 millimeter. This is very cute as well. When you are designing, you will realize the importance of these. These are very, very cute. Bracelets like spacer beads, perfect they are. Then finally we have Toho seed beads, 8 that to 8 grams. See this? This is very new. It was not there in any other treasure bags before, I believe so, but this is really nice. Look how long the tubes are. Normally this is a size you will get, and this is bigger than that, right? And this is Toho as well. So I really like this. This is our treasure bag this time. I hope you guys like it too. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification, and also don't forget to sign up on ggctreasures.com so that you will get notified when the next treasure bag will be available. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video wherein I'm gonna make multiple things out of this bag. Bye bye.